Yo, I just got my first order for today. It is a 7-Eleven, $8 going 4 miles. Thank you. Super sketchy apartments. Anyways, I got my next order. This is McDonald's, $7.75 going 3 miles.
Is it open?
What's that?
Is it open?
I have no idea. No.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Total ended up being $10.25 for that order. Nice. And we got the next orders. This is a stacked Walmart, $21 going 8 miles. As always, this could go one of two ways. One, everything goes smoothly, or B, I end up ripping my hair out. What's it gonna be today?
Here's the one for the back seat. I don't know if you got one.
Yeah. All right, we got lucky today. Got my next order lined up right after this. It's for McDonald's, $10 going 3 miles. Knock 2 times and leave at door. You got it. I just got another stacked Walmart order. This one is $19 going 8 miles. Previous stack went pretty well, so can we go 2 for 2?
Hi.
2 for 2. Let's go. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. All right, next order up is a stack. I think it's going to the same person. This is Voodoo Donut and Gravity Coffee. $12.50 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too.
Love your hat, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Here's the first drink. Here's that one for ya.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You too. Next order finally came in. This is for Voodoo Donut, $8.75 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. That order ended up being $10.25. Next order up is for Gravity Coffee. This is $11.25 going 6 miles. You too, thank you. Next order just came in. This is for Voodoo Donut, $10.75 going 6 miles.
There you are.
Thank you. I need to double check, but I'm pretty sure this is going to a hotel downtown. Oh yeah, it is. It says, hand it to me. I can meet you in the lobby. So much for meeting me in the lobby. Total ended up being $13.25 for that order. This McDonald's is $7.25, going less than 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order's up. Got another stack. This one is for Victor Rico's, $16.50, going 4.5 miles. This might be a bit of a wait, but I think it's still going to be a good stack. Thank you. You too. All right, that is gonna be it for me today. Current time is 11:41. Total is 141. Pretty good day. Those Walmart stacks earlier really gave me a good boost. But yeah, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.